Hey guys, let's see what today's puzzle is about. 8 balls problem. Let's see in which all companies this was asked. This is the list of companies. Let's see what the problem is. We are given 8 identical looking balls, out of which 7 have equal weight, but one of them is defective, and our goal is to find this ball. We can use the weighing scale only twice, and after using it two times, we need to answer which ball is the defective one. Before going on to the solution, please pause the video and try it for yourself. Let's get on the book to solve this puzzle. Okay, here we go. We got 8 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's split this into 3 groups. Let's assume seventh ball is the one which has the defect, and we make a group of first 3 balls, 1, 2, 3. We make a group of 4, 5, 6, and 7 and 8 is in the other group. Now we weigh this group and this group, and the weighing scale is matching because these all are identical. The ball which has issue is the seventh one. So in the first weighing scale we were not able to find any of them, so these two are the left ones. Now we weigh these two, 7 and 8. After comparing these two, in our first weighing scale we didn't find anything, but in the second one when we measure we can see seventh has less weight than 8. Seventh ball has less weight than 8, so we were able to find the seventh one. This was best case scenario. Let's see what if the ball which had issue was the third one and not seventh one. So third ball has the issue. So in the first weighing scale we would have gotten imbalance in this group, which means 1, 2, 3. In this group there is some culprit which has the issue. We know 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 are identical, so we just ignore them. We want to know which ball among these three has the issue. So what we'll do, we'll keep the first one separate, we'll take the second ball, we'll take the third ball, and we measure these two. After measuring we get to know 3 has less weight, because as we assumed, what if 3 was the one which was the culprit, and we were able to find the third ball which had the culprit. In case second ball was the one which was culprit, we would have found it in this case. Let's assume if the first ball was the one having the fault, then in that case we would have gotten equal in these two, and which left leaves us with only this ball which would be the culprit. And that's about the solution. You can find different ways to solve this problem. Please let me know in the comment section which approach did you all know, and please like and subscribe for more such videos. I'll see you all in the next one.